What is up, YouTube? Today, I will be going over class 2 here and what I've done to it. Now, as you can see, new body. This is a cliffhanger. I like them. They're nice and light too. Not as light as the creeps, but still fairly light too. Now, if you probably seen when I did this, probably seen a set of portals. These are the Vanquish F10 portals. Now, I already ran it, and it did awesome. I just need to tweak a couple things. Probably I need to do some more tuning. I do need to figure out why it will not side hill. It does not like side hilling at all. Now, I did like these BFG crawlers. I may try and find or make a set of 2-2 cut and shut crawlers, or try the Hyrax that Proline has, or buy some. I don't really know yet what I want to do, but we will see. But other than that, now that I know how to do a cut and shut, I may try it on a set of tires. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, but we will see. I did get these all done and tested. I'll put pictures in this video. Now, I did run Class 2 and Class 3 at Crawler Canyon's Test and Tune. I also put a picture of the brass wheel things I put in the front for a little more front weight bias. I do need to get a few things for Class 3 too, and this one, but other than that, it did perfect. Climbed some really great lines, did some really great stuff. I just need to figure out why it will not side hill. Other than that, it is ready for a comp, which is coming up very, very soon, which is kind of scary. I did put Class 1's bumper, trimmed it for the rear, since it does not fit the new Class 1 chassis. Now, I do have a different body in mind. I will probably be using that body for this Class 2 and getting different sliders. Now, I do need to do a few other minor things. Probably different motor. Probably stick with a 2000 kV motor, just since it is a portal axle. But other than that, I do need to do the roof rack and pulley thing on the new body, which I need to find the pulley thing. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Thank you so much.